Súbele al bass, súbele al bass, súbele al bass, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al.
Hello there, MX community from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Welcome to Memo Express MX TV. Before anything else, please don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe to our Facebook channel for you to be updated on all the latest promos here on Memo Express. Ngayon, August 12 na, MX community. Ang bilis na ng panahon. Ang dami na ring bagyong dumaan sa atin, pero I hope at sana nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Next month, papasok na ang Amber Month. Pero dito sa Memo Express, extended ang ating promo sa ating MX727 anniversary. Dahil meron tayong MX727 raffle promo at MX727 tic-tac-toe. So watch the video of our promos here on Memo Express. Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe video. Again, MX community, once bumili kayo na any smartphone, entitled kayo for one raffle entry at pwede rin kayo maglaro sa ating tic-tac-toe game promo kapag bumili kayo ng participating brands from Oppo, Vivo, and Realme. So, simple lang para manalo. Once na bumili kayo sa amin ng, or mag-purchase kayo sa amin ng any smartphone, may one raffle entry na kayo. At kapag nag-bundle kayo ng smart plan 499, meron na kayong 3 raffle promos. At kapag binandelan nyo pa to ng TNT or smart SIM card with 300 worth of load, meron pa kayong 2 raffle promo. So, ang daming ways para manalo sa ating MX727 raffle promo. So, ano nga ba ang prizes natin, MX community? Sa ating week 1, meron tayong vacuum na 7 lucky winners ang mananalo and 27 lucky winners naman ng 300 e-gift points. So, sa ating second week naman, 32 inches TV ang mananalo, ang mapapanalunan ng 7 lucky winners at 27 lucky winners of 400 e-gift points. Sa ating third week, Jollibee Kids Party, 7 lucky winners din at 27 lucky winners naman ng 500 e-gift points. Sa ating fourth week, 55 inches TV with soundbar na 7 lucky winners din ang mananalo at 27 lucky winners ng 600 MX e-gift points. Sa ating last week, 7 lucky winners of Oppo smartphones and 27 lucky winners naman ng 700 MX e-gift points. So, ang dami nating promos and prices dito sa ating MX727 anniversary. So, ngayon, MX community, ang topic natin for today, ang ating Samsung pre-order promo sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, let's talk our third consecutive live about Samsung Z Flip 5. So, let's take a look. Wala to. Nakamute. Ba't wala yung tic-tac-toe? Hindi, di ba pipakita yung mga naglalaro ng tic-tac-toe?
Ano na lang, common sense na Samsung yung pinakita. Lens mo pa ito. Pwede mo siya dito. 7 winners of 5.
First, we have its Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 Nakita niyo naman, MX Community, gano'ng ka-cool at ka-awesome ang ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. First, the design, small on size but big on personality. The first thing that catches my eye is the stunning innovative design. This compact phone is packed with a big personality. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is sleek, compact, and oh so modern. It is easily fit in your pocket, and when you're ready to use it, just flip it like a laptop. The folding experience is incredibly satisfying and it's real head turner wherever you go. So napansin naman natin MX Community kung gaano kaganda at ka-smooth ang pagiging foldable phone ng ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So once na siya, flex mode, makikita nyo, napakaganda ng ating flex window na meron 3.4 inches Super AMOLED display. So ito siya, MX Community, sa design pa lang. Yan. Ang kinaganda sa ating flex window dito compare sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, mas pinalaki na yung screen display niya sa flex window at mas marami ka pang magagawa. At syempre sa mga widgets na rin, like itong calendar, battery level, tsaka yung clock niya. So additional pa dito yung weather. So pwede ka rin mag-calls and syempre yung mga iba't ibang activities. Ang kinaganda pa dito yung iba't ibang application like Messages, YouTube, and Netflix. Yan. Mas madaming pwedeng gawin sa ating flex window na meron 3.4 inches. To display in the flex window, do more with the flex window. The convenient 3.4 inches cover screen. You can now reply to messages with a full keyboard, make calls, check the weather forecast, and even access your wallet. You can also access and organize your widgets from the cover screen as you always have your favorites at your fingertips, and you can customize your device with your favorite widgets, video wallpapers, clock faces, and more to make your Galaxy Z Flip 5 uniquely you. So ayun nga sa nasabi ko kanina, yung widgets pwede mo i-customize. I-hold nyo lang, pwede kayo mamili sa ating flex window ng mga iba't ibang design ng widgets na gusto nyo. So yun MX Community, i-clear ko lang ulit ang ating promo sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 pre-order. Nag-run ito hanggang August 17, 2023 at kapag nag-avail ka sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 pre-order, meron kang double storage upgrade kung saan kapag nag-avail ka ng 256GB, ang makukuha mo is yung 512GB variant nito. So napakalaking discount at napakalaking tipid nito sa atin dahil yung binili mong Samsung Z Flip 5 ay meron ng double storage upgrade. At good news din dahil dito sa Memo Express nagse-celebrate tayo na ating MX727 anniversary, meron ka ring 1 raffle entry. So aside dun sa double storage upgrade, meron ka ring Samsung Care Plus worth 10,554. Mariregister to automatically 14 days after your purchase. Then aside pa doon, meron kang up to 50% discount sa ating Samsung wearables like Samsung Buds 2 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Pero dahil nanonood ka sa ating MX TV Live featuring Samsung exclusive pre-order, meron kang free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So please share this live para mas marami makalam ng ating promotion dito sa Memo Express MX TV featuring Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 pre-order. So yes, tama po kayo narinig, may free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro kayo worth 12,990 until 11:59 PM lamang. So please share this Facebook Live para mas marami makapag-avail ng ating promo dito sa ating Samsung pre-order. So meron kang double storage upgrade, meron kang 10,000 worth of Samsung Care Plus, meron kang up to 50% discount sa ating Samsung wearables, at meron kang free Buds 2 Pro kapag nag-avail ka ngayon until 11:59 PM ng ating Samsung pre-order. Plus pa dito, meron kang 10,000 discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series. So mamaya, papakita natin kung ano yung kinaganda sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So available to sa ating online Samsung exclusive online store na www.mxmemoexpress.com. Please visit our Samsung exclusive online store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. Next is the camera. You can see naman, MX Community, meron siyang dual camera sa flex window na meron 12 megapixel for ultra-wide and wide and 10 megapixels sa ating front camera. Stellar selfies made easy with the flex window. Capture the moment, even your phone is closed. Snap, review, and edit your pics all from the flex window right on the cover. Wide and bright, low light video. The wide camera of Galaxy Z Flip 5 brings more of the scene into the frame, whether open or closed. Plus a nightography video at 60 frames per second. Losing sunlight doesn't mean losing out quality. So check the link and at caption and comment box to place your order here at www.mxmemoexpress.com. So kanina nga yun sa camera, kahit naka-flex window ka pa, pwede ka makapag-take ng shot. Yan. Dahil meron siyang camera mode sa ating flex window. Syempre, sa ating performance and software under the hood, the Samsung Z Flip is powered by top-of-the-line processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, experience smoother graphics, faster AI, and improved battery performance. Speaking of battery performance, MX community, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 has 3,700 mAh battery that keeps your streaming and gaming late into the night. Did you know, MX community, that you can listen up to 57 hours and watch up to 20 hours? So ang ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 ay powered na ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Aside doon, it is the top of the line processor na talagang mag-enjoy kayo dahil kahit anong high quality graphic applications pa yan or gaming applications, kayang-kayang isupport ng ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Hindi lang siya basta pang photography, kundi pang gaming phone na rin siya. For me, all in all, the Samsung Z Flip 5 is an innovative and impressive piece of technology. Its compact design, satisfying folding mechanism, stunning display, and reliable performance make it strong contender in the foldable phone market. If you want to stand out for the crowd and embrace the future of smartphones, the Z Flip 5 is an excellent choice. Yes, tama po kayo, MX community. Dahil ang ating phones, ang ating smartphone, syempre sumasabayan sa mga improvement and changes sa atin. So kung ikaw ay mamimili at gusto mo ng foldable phone, isa to sa marirecommend ko sa inyo dahil naman sa design, sa quality and performance, talagang panalong-panalo. It's very awesome sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Again, meron tayong promo dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 pre-order. Once you avail this today until 11:59 PM, meron kang free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro worth 12,990. Tama po kayo, 12,990 worth of freebie kapag nag-avail kayo sa ating Samsung exclusive store na www.mxmemoexpress.com. Plus, up to 50% discount sa ating wearables na Galaxy Watch 6 at 10,000 discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series. Plus pa doon, meron kang Samsung Care Plus worth 10,554 and a free cover case para sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So MX community, share this live na para mas maraming makaalam ng ating promotion dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip pre-order. Link available at caption and comment box to place your order. So MX community, please visit our online web official Samsung online store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. So recap lang, ang ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is very innovative sa design, sa performance, at sa quality. So ang kanyang difference sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, so yung kanyang design, mas pinaganda na dahil wala na ring gap ang kanyang flex mode. So, makikita nyo, napaka-safe na, wala nang gap pagka naka-close ang kanyang, or naka-flip ang ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Plus pa yung 3.4 inches flex window, so talaga mas marami kang magagawang activities like yung mga application tulad ng messaging, YouTube, and Netflix. Yan, nakikita nyo naman, MX community, napakadaming apps na pwedeng gawin kahit naka-flex mode pa ang ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Aside pa doon, mas upgraded na ang kanyang processor na one of the top of the line Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Napakaganda ng ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So avail na sa ating Samsung exclusive store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. makuha ang free nating Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro worth 12,990. To place your order, just click the link and caption at caption and at comment section. So yun, MX Community, nasa ating comment section ang link at mag-avail na sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 pre-order. Before we begin to the second Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, please don't forget to give us thumbs up and please subscribe to our official Facebook page and comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo about sa ating newest Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 smartphone. So next natin, MX Community, kumusta pala kayo? Batiin natin ang mga nanonood sa ating Facebook, MX TV Live. So Sir Jason, thank you for watching. Ma'am Kim, thank you for watching po. Please share our Facebook Live para mas maraming makakaalam na ating Samsung pre-order promos. Si Ma'am MJ, yan, watching sa ating Facebook Live. Thank you Ma'am MJ, more sales po sa inyo. Sir RJ, solid naman ang freebies niyan. Yes po, solid na solid po dahil makakuha ka ng free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro worth 12,990. Aside pa doon, may double storage upgrade ka pa. At kapag nag-avail ka nito today, yun nga, makakuha ka ng free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro plus pa yung 10,000 discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and 30% discount sa Samsung Galaxy wearables like Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So, MX Community, let's go for a second phone, the ultimate Samsung Z Fold 5 with the color available of Icy Blue, Phantom Black, and Cream. Yung makikita nyo ngayon, MX Community, na ipepresent ko sa inyo is yung Phantom Black. Yan. This is the full view na ating Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Kung makikita nyo siya ng personal at mahahawakan nyo, napaka-prestige and stunning talaga, MX Community. So let's begin the ultimate 7.6 inches main display. So 7.6 inches main display, unfold the stunning immersive screen to imagine to bring your gaming experience like never before. Cinematic viewing wherever you and your PC-style productivity all in one tablet-sized device. So hindi na siya basta smartphone, para na siyang tablet-like design. So watch the video for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The most advanced multitasking experience on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It keeps your 3 windows on a screen so you can stream, shop, browse, and play more with a taskbar that holds up to 12 apps at once. You can effortlessly swap between the ones you like to use most. Add S Pen also to your task blasting toolkit for even more efficiency. So, hindi lang sa kanyang full view maganda gamitin ating Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Kahit ang kanyang cover screen, once na pinold mo, and open, see? Parang walang pinagbago dahil magagamit mo pa rin ang full potential lang yung Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And take note, up to 12 apps at once. Kahit marami ka pang buksan na applications, kayang-kayang isupport ng ating Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yan. Nang walang nangyayaring lagging or nangyayaring mga problems or bumabagal, hindi siya nagkaroon ng effect dun sa performance. So same pa din sa ating pwede ka pa rin gumamit ng mga applications like Google, YouTube, and marami pang iba. So innovation from the previous Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, same as the Flip 5, yung kanyang gap wala na rin. So, mas na-improve na sa design. Then, sa kanyang performance, ginagamitan na rin siya ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So, talagang pang-gaming din talaga ang ating Samsung Z Fold 5. Standout cameras, cover to cover with its 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 10 megapixel cover camera, and 4 megapixel under display camera. So, di ba, napaka-awesome talaga ng ating capturing moment with Samsung Z Fold 5 with 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, telephoto camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, at syempre yung kanyang cover na 10 megapixel at 4 megapixel under display camera. So yun nga, meron din siyang telephoto, kaya kahit yung mga malalayong object na kukuhanan mo gamit ng ating Samsung Z Fold 5 ay napakaganda ng quality at very sharp pa rin ang magiging image output nito. Also, for the dual preview, puts your subject in control. Unfold Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to show your subject exactly what you're seeing at the viewfinder. So tap, record, and capture memories. With a rear camera, take videos, lush with color and detail for even more clarity. Auto frame rate sets the optical exposure from moment to moment so your video stays bright from start to finish. Next is the premium and tough inside and out. Samsung Z Fold 5 is reinforced with a tough aluminum frame. This powerful shell also lives up to its name, Armor Aluminum, protecting your folds from damages. Yes, you heard it right, MX community. Ang kanyang frame is made up of aluminum. Yan. Aluminum ang kanyang frame, at ang kinagandahan pa sa ating Samsung Z Fold 5 is IPX8 rating na to, which means syempre yung ingress protection niya mas pinaganda dahil water and dust resistant na rin ang iyong Samsung Z Fold 5. Our new double rail hinge is stronger, is more durable and beauty to behold, and sealed tight with a top of the line water resistance. Gaya ng sabi ko, IPX8 rating na ang kanyang ingress protection. So yung hinge niya mas pinatibay pa. At syempre yung design mas pinaganda dahil wala ng gap. Mas safe kung ilalagay mo siya sa bag, wala ka nang iisipin kung maiipitan siya na kahit anumang bagay. So, napakaganda ng innovation ng ating Samsung Z Fold 5. And last but not the least, it controls more SIMs once with multi-control. Enjoy seamless device collaboration, multicolor control lets you to use keyboard and mouse across devices like your Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Tab S9, making it even easier to copy and paste or drag and drop. So, yung Samsung Z Fold 5 ay kaya na rin makontrol at kaya na rin i-connect sa mga devices like nga yung Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And since nasabi ko na lahat ng cool features na ating Samsung Z Flip 5 at Samsung Z Fold 5, so ayun nga, MX community, mag-pre-order na kayo sa ating Samsung official online store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. To place your order, just click the link at caption at the comment section. So yun nga, MX community, again, ang ating promotion para sa ating Samsung Z Flip 5 and Samsung Z Fold 5, magkakaroon ka ng free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro today until 11:59 PM kapag nag-avail ka sa atin ngayon. Ngayong araw lang nga, MX community, dahil final na natin tong MX TV Live for Samsung Z Flip and Fold 5. I-avail na kayo and please share this live para mas maraming makapag-avail at maraming makaalam ng ating promotion sa ating Samsung pre-order. Free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Exclusive lamang dito sa ating Samsung official store. Please check the comment section para ma-visit ang ating Samsung online store. So yun nga, may double storage upgrade pa din. Double storage upgrade with free Samsung Care Plus up to 10,554. Meron ka pang 10,000 discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series at yung 30% discount sa Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. And don't worry, MX community, kung minsan paulan-ulan at medyo may mga nangyayaring biglaang emergency at gusto nyo talagang bilhin yung Samsung pre-order natin at mag-visit sa mga stores nationwide, meron kaming door-to-door delivery services dito sa Memo Express. Kaya hassle-free na ang pag-purchase ng iyong smartphone like this Samsung Galaxy Z series. So yun nga MX Community, meron din kaming up to 0% installment, up to 0% interest sa installment, at meron din kaming trade-in, trade-up program dito sa Memo Express. So kung meron kang old smartphones na gustong i-upgrade, yes, pwede po dito sa atin sa Memo Express. Visit lamang sa mga stores nationwide at ipa-assess ang iyong smartphone at pwede madagdag ang magiging kalalabasan na value ng iyong smartphone dun sa kukunin mong phone. Kaya mas makakatipid ka at mas marami ka pang mabibili sa iyong budget. So yun nga MX Community, mayroon kang free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, meron kang double storage upgrade, 30% discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 at 10,000 discount sa Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series when you avail this pre-order today until 11:59 p.m. So yun, MX Community, please share this live at para mas marami pang makaalam ng ating pre-order. So nag-run pa rin ng ating 727 promo dito sa Memo Express hanggang August 31, 2023. So magkakaroon ka ng 1 raffle entry kapag nag-avail ka nito sa ating mga present na pre-order dito sa Samsung. So 1 raffle entry para manalo ng vacuum, 7 lucky winners and 27 lucky winners ng 300 MX e-gift points, 32 inches TV na 7 lucky winners din and 27 lucky winners ng 400 e-gift points, Jollibee Kids Party, 7 lucky winners also and 27 lucky winners ng 500 e-gift points. Then yung 55 inches TV with soundbar, 7 lucky winners pa rin and 27 lucky winners of 600 e-gift points. And last, smartphones na 7 lucky winners ang mananalo at 27 lucky winners naman ng 700 MX e-gift points. So napakadaming ways para manalo sa ating MX727 raffle promo. To place this order, just click the link at caption in the comments section. www.mxmemoexpress.com, our official Samsung online store. So yun, MX Community, thank you for watching po sa ating mga dyan nanonood. Kay Sir RJ, thank you po. Maraming salamat. Hindi lang dyan MX Community meron pa tayong pag-uusapan ngayon at talagang ma-excite kayo dahil meron ding bagong release na Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Yes, yung ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So, please watch the video for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Yan, MX Community. Nakita nyo naman gaano kaganda ang ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series. So, ang hawak ko ngayon is yung Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Big display na merong 14.6 inches screen display at 11,200 mAh. Next yung Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus na may 12.4 inches screen at 10,090 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 naman na merong 11 inches screen display at 8,400 mAh. Two colors na meron na ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series na beige at graphite. So yung hawak ko yung graphite. ang nagustuhan ko dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series, yung kanyang sounds na merong quad speaker na Dolby Atmos, powered by Dolby Atmos. So talagang mas mafe-feel mo ang panonood ng mga videos, clips, and movies sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Makikita nyo naman gaano kaganda ang display niya na merong 14.6 inches screen display. Yan. Sa likod naman pala meron kayo makikitang magnetic strip for S Pen. Yan siya, MX Community. Meron kayong 10,000 discount dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 kapag nag-avail kayo ng ating pre-order sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yan. We have something truly remarkable. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, the latest addition to Samsung's renowned tablet lineup. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 promises to redefine your mobile computing experience. So let's dive and explore the power of portability with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. First, our sleek design and portability. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series boasts an incredibly sleek and elegant design. It's designed to be ultra portable, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Whether you're student, professional, or casual user, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 offers the perfect blend of style and functionality. So yun, MX Community, nasabi ko nga kanina yung mga sizes niya. 14.6 sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus naman, meron siyang 12.4 inches screen display at 11 inches naman sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So put your S Pen to paper with the Note Paper Screen. With the Note Paper Screen, writing is the next best thing to pen and paper. So, example, yung mga gumagawa dyan sa yung mga mahilig mag-Canva, yun, talaga mag-e-enjoy kayo sa paggamit ng ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Get a PC-like experience with a single snap, attach a book cover keyboard to topple your to-do list with ease, fully backlit with function keys and a trackpad. It supports DeX mode for a seamless PC-like experience. Ang ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 ay merong freebie na smart book cover kapag nag-avail ka sa ating Memo Express online store, www.mxmemoexpress.com. Mag-avail na kayo ng ating pre-order at makakuha ng ating free smart book cover. At syempre, meron ka pa rin 10,000 discount dito kapag in-avail mo ang ating pre-order sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Next is the streamlined creativity and multitasking. Painting on your tablet just got easier with the newly added simple mode on Clip Studio Paint. Elevate multitasking with your smartphone by using multi-control that allows you to drag and drop images between the devices or instantly transfer files from your smartphone and continue editing on your tablet. So napakadami kang pwedeng gawin dito, like yun nga, kung creative ka, mahilig ka sa mga streamline creativity, makapag-multitask ka dahil napakalaki ng screen mo, madami kang pwedeng gawin at talaga mag-e-enjoy ka sa quality ng ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So binabati ko po pala si Ma'am Jeveline, thank you for watching po. Shout out po kila Sir Elmer, kila Ma'am Shin. Yan po. Thank you for watching. Please share this Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po at para maraming makaalam ng ating promotion and freebies dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and Fold 5 pre-order. Yan. Next is divide your screen, multiply your productivity. Conquer multiple tasks at once. You can sketch out architectural plans and choose captivating visuals and video chat all in one screen without even closing a window. So, dahil sa laki ng kanyang screen display, yan, effortless na yung paggamit ng multiple applications. Yan. Pwede ka mag-switch ng walang kahirap-hirap sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Yes, MX Community, since live tayo at alam kong handa nyo nang i-add to cart ng ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Inuulit ko, meron kang free smart book cover dito sa ating official Memo Express online store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. Inuulit ko po ang ating promotion. Meron kang smart book cover sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series Siyempre, kapag binundle mo siya sa ating Samsung Z Flip 5 at Samsung Z Fold 5, meron kang 10,000 discount dito sa tablet na ito. Yes, please pre-order na para makakuha kayo ng maraming promotion and offers dito sa ating Samsung pre-order dito lang sa Memo Express Online Store. So makikita nyo po sa ating comment section kung ang ating link para sa ating Memo Express Online Store. Ang iyong dream smartphone and dream tablet, one click away para sa inyo MX community. Get free Buds 2 Pro when you place your pre-order at the link in the comment section. Yan. Yes, free po ang ating Buds 2 Pro today until 11:59 PM. At don't worry MX community kung hindi kayo makapunta para i-avail ang inyong nabiling pre-order sa ating stores nationwide. Meron kaming door-to-door delivery services dito sa Memo Express. Effortless na at hassle-free na ang pagbili at pag-transact sa atin dito sa Memo Express. Next, ang ating Galaxy Watch 6. Yan. MX community, please watch the video also for the reference to Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Yan, MX community, very awesome sa design, sa benefits ng ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 with 20% larger and 30% slimmer. Yan. Ang ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, hindi lang siya basta watch, kundi meron din siyang benefits like yung exercise tracking. So, it will help you to be healthy also, MX community. Para mas ma-inspire kayo mag-exercise daily, meron siyang exercise tracking. At marami pang ibang features sa ating sa ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So yan, MX community, when you avail one of these devices from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 until up to this Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, you can avail, gain one raffle entry para sa ating 727 raffle promo. Dahil continue sa ating promo dito sa Memo Express MX 727 anniversary until August 31, 2023. So yun, recap tayo sa ating napag-usapan today, MX community. First, yung ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So yan. So, meron 6.7 inches screen display at 3.4 inches flex window. Yan, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Diba, napakaganda at very innovative ng bagong Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Yun nga, ang difference niya sa previous Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Wala na siyang gap. Ayan, sa kanyang display. Pagka nasa flex mode siya. At syempre, yung flex window niya mas pinalaki. Ayan. So, marami kang pwedeng gawin. Yung mga widgets available, napaka-cool and very awesome. Ayan. Kinaganda sa kanya, pwede ka mag-message kahit na naka-flip ang inyong phone. Ayan. Full keyboard na rin. Aside pa doon, pwede ka manood sa YouTube at Netflix. Siyempre, pwede ka rin mag-capture ng photos dahil meron na rin siyang camera mode sa ating flex window. So kapag bumili ka nito, nag-pre-order ka nito, MX Community, today until 11:59 PM, magkakaroon ka ng free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro worth 12,990. Same din sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yan. Yan ang Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Na meron naman siyang 7.4 inches screen display. Yan. Kapag ka naka-fold mode ka naman, ano yan? Maganda pa rin siya at very high performance, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Same din sa kanyang Flip 5, meron din siyang improvement sa display dahil yung gap niya nawala na din. So, very safe. Yan. IPX8 rating, ingress protection rating na din na nagbibigay ng water resistance sa ating Samsung Z Fold 5. So when you avail this MX Community, hindi lang freebies from Samsung, meron na kayo 1 raffle entry sa ating MX727 raffle promo until August 31. Ito kaya avail na kayo dito sa atin sa Memo Express. So get your free Buds 2 Pro when you place your pre-order at the link in the caption and comment section. So yun nga, our official Memo Express online store, www.mxmemoexpress.com. Avail na kayo MX Community and share this live para mas marami ding makapag-avail at mas makaalam ng ating promo dito lamang sa Memo Express. At napag-usapan din natin kanina ang ating Galaxy Tab S9. Yan. Na meron kang 10,000 discount when you bundle this sa ating Samsung Z Flip 5 at Samsung Z Fold 5. Diba? Pakalaking discount. Meron ka ng 10,000 discount sa ating Flip 5 or Fold 5. Meron ka pang free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. At syempre, yung ating huling pinag-usapan na ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 na meron ka naman 30% discount dito. Di ba napakadaming promotion and freebies dito sa Samsung pre-order. Meron ka ng Galaxy Buds 2 Pro until 11:59 PM lang ha, MX Community. Plus 10,000 discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series at 30% discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 plus a Samsung Care Plus worth 10,554. And I forget to say kanina, magiging 2 years ang inyong Samsung Care Plus. Plus yung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro nga pala, until today lang yan na 11:59 PM. So napakadaming promotion and freebies dito sa Memo Express. Kaya mag-purchase na ng inyong pre-order sa ating Memo Express online store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. So yun, MX Community, sana mas nalinawan kayo at mas marami kayo natutunan sa ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. At syempre sa atin na ring Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 at sa ating Samsung Galaxy Tab Samsung Galaxy Fold. So again, continue pa rin ang ating 727 anniversary promo dito sa Memo Express. Dahil ang ating anniversary ay extended hanggang August 31, 2023. 7 lucky winners ang mananalo ng vacuum, 27 winners naman ang 300 MX e-gift points. The next naman, yung 32 inches TV at 27 lucky winners ng 400 MX e-gift points. Sa third week, Jollibee Kids Party, 7 lucky winners also and 27 lucky winners naman ng 500 MX e-gift points. Sa fourth week, meron kang 55 inches with soundbar kapag nanalo ka sa ating MX727 lucky raffle promo. 7 lucky winners niyan at 27 lucky winners naman ng 600 MX e-gift points. And last week, final week, nagkakaroon ng 7 lucky winners ng smartphones and 27 lucky winners ng 700 MX e-gift points. So napakadaming ways para manalo sa ating MX727 raffle promo. Pag nag-order ka at nag-avail ka nitong ating Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 at Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, may 1 raffle entry ka na. At kapag nag-bundle ka pa ng ating Smartline 499 na meron ka ng only call and text to all networks plus a landline calls, tapos meron ka pang 6 gig regular data, napakadaming benefit ng ating Smart Plan 499. Meron kang 3 raffle entries. So napakadaming exciting promos and prices dito sa ating MX727 anniversary promo. So MX Community, maraming salamat sa panonood at please share this live batiin ulit natin yung mga nanonood sa ating MXTV Live. Kila Sir Kenneth, great Samsung morning po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa ating MXTV Live. Please share this live para mas maraming makapag-avail at makapag-enjoy ng ating awesome bundles from Samsung. So visit our official Memo Express store at www.mxmemoexpress.com. Talagang inuulit-ulit ko ang promotion natin dahil napaka-awesome and exciting na mga freebies dito sa ating Samsung pre-order. Kaya naman, i-invite nyo na ang inyong mga friends, relatives at mag-avail ng ating Samsung pre-order. Dahil napakaganda ng freebie nito na worth 12,990 para sa Galaxy Buds 2 Pro at meron ka pang 10,000 discount kapag nag-purchase ka din ng ating Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Meron ka pang double storage upgrade kapag ang binili mong variant, halimbawa yung 256GB, makakuha ka ng 512GB variant ng ating Samsung Z Flip 5 and Samsung Z Fold 5. At syempre, ang isa sa pinakamaganda rin itong promotion, ang 30% discount sa ating Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So get your free Buds 2 Pro when you place your pre-order at the link in the comment section. Yun. MX Community, maraming salamat. Sana napasaya ko kayo at mas napagbigyan ko kayo ng kaalaman about sa ating Samsung pre-order dito sa Memo Express MX TV. Maraming salamat MX Community at sana please share this live sa inyong mga kaibigan, kakilala, yan, relatives. So yun, MX Community, don't worry kung medyo busy kayo, marami kayong ginagawa. Alam ko talagang lahat sa atin nagsisikap sa araw-araw. Meron tayong MX value-added services tulad ng D2D services or delivery services nationwide to MX Community. Asan ka man sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Assist kayo ng Memo Express dahil sa ating MX D2D, ating door-to-door delivery. So, hassle-free na at very convenient para sa ating MX Community. At meron din tayong trade-in, trade-up program sa atin sa Memo Express. Ang iyong old smartphone, kung mabawa, talagang gusto mo nang i-upgrade ang phone mo, don't worry dahil pwede mong i-upgrade yung phone mo. I-access lamang sa ating trade-in, trade-up ang iyong old smartphone at pwede mo na itong magamit yung value pandagdag sa inyong bibiling dream phone tulad ng Samsung Z Flip 5. Yan. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Meron din tayong up to 0% interest up to 0% interest sa ating credit card transactions dito sa Memo Express. So maraming salamat. Thank you po kay Sir Ryugen, kay Sir Kenneth for watching. Sana all naka-Samsung. Kaya po please, sabi ni Sir Ryogen, sana all daw naka-Samsung. Syempre po, please share this live para lahat naka-Samsung talaga dahil alam ko marami magpi-pre-order ng ating Samsung Z Flip 5 at Samsung Z Fold 5 dahil sa napakadaming freebies and exciting promos dito sa Memo Express. Again, you can place your order at www.mxmemoexpress.com, our official Memo Express online store. Doon nyo makikita ang mga smartphone at mga offers natin dito sa Memo Express, especially ito na rin nilalive natin na Samsung Z Flip 5 at Samsung Z Fold 5. So very thankful ako sa mga nanood sa ating MX Community. Maraming salamat po at sana nabigyan ko kayo ng information para sa ating Samsung pre-order. So before we end this live, I would like to say thank you sa inyo MX Community and please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe our official social media channels. Facebook and Twitter at Memo Express 98, TikTok and Instagram at MX Memo Express, YouTube channel at Memo Express MX TV, Viber group and Facebook group at Memo Express Community. Great Samsung morning sa ating lahat, MX Community. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating live dito sa Memo Express MX TV. You can also place your order at www.mxmemoexpress.com and make sure to click the notification bell to see the latest updates here on Memo Express MX TV. Thank you for watching MX Community. This has been your MC Matthew. Abangan nyo kami sa susunod na mga episode dito sa Memo Express MX TV. See you again sa susunod. Bye-bye po.
Súbele al bass, súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass, bass. súbele al bass, súbele al bass, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass. Súbele al bass, 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 súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al bass, súbele al bass. Me encanta que le subas al